Hello guys, welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video we're going to talk about another BSOD error, and that's no user mode context. In this video I'm going to show you a few easy solutions that you can try, and hopefully after watching this video your problem will be solved. Firstly, to be all assured, you're gonna have to do a full malware and virus scan for your PC, and I'm gonna recommend you Bitdefender 2019. That's a very good antivirus that you can try. You're gonna have a download link in the description down below if you wanna check it out, and do a scan with that program because it will surely tell you if you have any problems and viruses in your computer. Secondly, for diagnosing issues, we're gonna have to run the SFC scanner by pressing the search button and then type in here CMD. Then right click on command prompt and run as administrator. And then in command prompt you're gonna have to type in sfc /scan now. Then press enter and Windows will check for problems in the important system files and hopefully fix the problem that you have with your BSOD error. Another thing that you have to do is to be sure that you have all the drivers on your PC updated, because most likely BSODs come up when drivers have issues, and to get rid of those issues you will need to update the drivers to their latest versions. So for that I'm going to present you a program called Driver Updater. You're going to have the download link in the description down below. You're going to have to start the scan and the program will tell you if you have obsolete drivers and will let you install or update all the drivers that need updating. And a last thing that you should try is to do all the updates on your PC. Just click on the start button and then click on this icon. Once settings appears, you're going to have to click on update and security, and in the Windows Updates tab, Windows will check for updates, download them and install them for you. So hopefully after watching this video your problem is now solved and the BSOD error is not occurring anymore. So this was the video guys. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads. Also don't forget to leave a comment down below with problems that you have on your Windows operating system and we can try to solve your issue in the next video. Until next time, have a nice day.